everybody, today I want to do an unboxing of this Bauer 20-volt full-size glue gun from Harbor Freight, and the model number is 21505C-B. So here in the package it says it's 20% faster heat uptime, up to 45 glue sticks per charge. I wonder if they're included, if they're talking about the 3 amp or the 5 amp. We'll see here in a minute. Self-standing LED on and off indicator, anti-drip design, and it says included with 3 full-size general purpose glue sticks. And this just comes with the tool, and this goes for $20. I got this for free buying a battery, and sometimes they do have sales. This is a 5 amp hour battery. I purchased it, and to me it wasn't bad, honestly, since a battery is not bad to have, and I mean a glue stick for free, glue gun for free ain't bad to me. So, and also I do want to show, in case, since they have deals sometimes with Harbor Freight. I'm here at the Harbor Freight website right now. And just in case, usually you could just, on your phone, you could go here. You go to these 3 little bars. And then you go to, like, deals. And it takes you deals. And, it talks about coupons. Here it talks about drills. Like here they got the Bauer. Here they got the Hercules. And, it'll show you. I mean, there's a bunch of deals. But you could come here and look around, see what there's new. I mean, they got some good deals sometimes. So yeah, if you just want to get something, just keep an eye out. They always have deals going on every month, so check them out. Ain't bad. So yeah, let's go back to the glue gun. So yeah, here we got the side, and it's still saying 45 glue sticks per charge. I think it's maybe talking about the 5 amp hour. Let's see. It says for longer run time, use 3 amp hour battery or greater. That's what it's saying. It's heavy duty guaranteed. Initial nozzle max temperature to 455 Fahrenheit. Outside nozzle max temperature is 374 Fahrenheit. And the weight of the tool only is not even close to a pound. So yeah, 0.7. So I don't know if they were using 3 amp or 5 amp. It doesn't say. Usually they do say, like, they use something. Here's more information, just in case. But, let's see. It still doesn't say anything, so we'll see. Maybe in the owner's manual it'll tell us, but it doesn't say precisely. So, yeah, we'll look at the owner's manual in a couple minutes. Maybe it'll tell us. But, yeah, for greater. Oh, okay, yeah, I found it. It says, using a 5 amp hour battery based on the actual compare product testing, fully gauge, lithium and all that. So I think they were using a 5 amp hour to do this test, which I'm pretty sure a 3 amp hour can't make that many. Maybe 30 I see, but 45, that's too many in my opinion. Yeah, I think that's for the reason. But I'll look through the owner's manual and see which battery they use, just to make sure, because they shall at least say we used 3 or 4 amp for this, or not 4 amp, 5 amp. They should at least say, hey, we use this battery, so yeah, don't expect, I mean, it's better to know. They don't tell you, like, oh yeah, we used a 3 amp for this test, or, a 5 amp. So yeah. But let's see. Okay, so there we go. So we're off the bat, out of the gate, we see the glue gun. Man, this guy's pretty big. I thought he was be a little more small than I thought. I mean, here we got a phone, like an iPhone 15, and look how, yeah, he looks pretty big. I thought he was gonna be a little smaller. I was expecting to be too big. Let's see what else do we got. Since we just got this, and that's it. It's just a box from here onwards. So we'll put this over here. And that over there. Alright, so oh man, these are big glue sticks. That's a good way to start. Yeah, those are, I thought they were gonna be a bit regular size glue sticks, so they're not. Yeah, these are the big guys. So yeah, I was gonna see. Yeah, those are the big boys. I thought they were like this small, so yeah. I was expecting to be that big. But that's a good thing they give you 3, so, just use one of them and keep the other ones. I wasn't expecting to be that big, honestly. So yeah, I thought they were gonna be a smaller, regular size. Okay, dokie. So here, I'm guessing this is the trigger button. You know, this pushes the, you know, glue stick inwards. So like, say you insert it here. And there we go. See, it's already in there. And all you do is like press the trigger. See, you press the trigger and it should be, yeah, it pumps all to itself without having to get involved, you know. And yeah, just use a 5 amp hour battery or a 3 amp, you know. Or if you were just gonna do a tiny little project, just use it for like a couple minutes. Just go with a smaller one, like a 1.5 amp, you know, if you're not gonna use a lot, you know. But if you're gonna do like, say, a something more, you could do like a big project, you could say, I recommend maybe getting a 3 or 5 amp, more likely a 5 amp. You could get more hours out of it, in my opinion. But yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, but honestly, I was not expecting it to be this big. I thought it was gonna be like a little smaller, you know, but I mean, I'm just surprised. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty big. You're not gonna lose this guy in the shop that easily. It's a big boy. So yeah, here in a couple minutes, I'm gonna go get a battery real quick, and I will be, you know, looking through the owner's manual real quick and see what I got. Okay, so I got a battery now. See. All right, so, and also there is a little LED light. I do want to give a heads up also. There is a 90-day warranty on this tool. So yeah, if you don't buy the warranty, you only get 90 days, you know. But if you do get the warranty, you know, they're not that expensive sometimes. But it's up to you, you know. But usually a hot glue gun, some people not going to use that often. You're just going to use it a handful of times, you know. So yeah, let's get this battery inserted. All right, and right now, it doesn't turn on yet until you press this button right here. And when it turns on, it's gonna be red, which is right now. So right now it's not ready until it turns green, and usually it takes 2 minutes. So we're gonna wait for a couple seconds, see if it turns green. If not, we'll you know, I'll just wait here until it turns green. So yeah, but here it's just red right now. So yeah, and the LED light is on. So yeah, that guy's gonna probably be running the whole time. Well, there's a good thing though. If you know the LED is running, you know, if like you have it sitting on a desk or something, at least from far away you can see, oh yeah, it's running, you know. So yeah, so we're gonna keep an eye out and we're gonna see. So yeah, give us a couple minutes. We'll wait. So just now it just turned green. And yeah, you can feel a little heat from this distance. It's not too close to my hand. I can feel some heat. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna insert a glue stick on the back, and don't cover up the vents it was saying on the owner's manual. So yeah, don't cover it up. I think I don't know if there was some smoke on there for a second. All right, so here we go. We're gonna let it squirt a bit here on the, let's see how it comes out on this little sheet of paper. Right now it's smoking, so it's burning up the glue stick. Okay then. There's been nothing yet. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, it does take a couple seconds, but since, you know, it's just waiting there. And let's see. Yeah, there's no way there's going to be a drip on your batteries or anything. Since look at the distance. You got your battery pack here, so you got like a good, maybe like 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches away from the battery pack, you know, if you leave it on the table. And a glue gun, in my opinion, it's not bad to have in the shop, because you can glue things, you know, or maybe you have a wife that likes, you know, doing things like crafting things. It ain't bad in my opinion. And it's portable, so that's a good thing. Others, you know, they're not that portable. These are portable, so they're easy to move around, you know. You could take it over here and over there around the house without having to wear like extension cord, you know. But that's a win, you know, in my opinion. It's a good purchase. And for $20, in my opinion, it ain't bad. I'll recommend it. You know, I was reading the owner's manual, and this is kind of a dumb thing they just put in there. But they're saying, once you're done using the hot glue stick, say like you just wanted to, you know, just a tiny little part you wanted to put back, to use the whole entire stick and let it sit on the foil, let it cool off, and throw it away. That's a good stick to go to waste. So what I would recommend is probably try to pulling it out. See, like, here we go. I pulled it out. And yeah, right now it's hot, so yeah. But you can let it cool off a bit, you know. Let it cool off. And it's just, you know, hot glue, so it ain't gonna do any harm. You know, see. But yeah, just let it cool off. Take it out. Don't leave it in, that it said, until, you know. But yeah, it's just, you know. Okay, so the hot glue gun is definitely worth it for 20 bucks. Or unless you get it for an offer, you know. Which I would recommend if you do get an offer, you know, if there's like a deal going on. Which I would recommend buying a battery if you're in the Bauer line. If not, well, you might want to look around. I know Rigid sells their own hot glue gun. Ryobi sells their own, but like I think they do sell them for their 18 volt and their USB line as well. I don't know about DeWalt and Milwaukee if they sell any. But, you know, these are the brands that sell those hot glue guns in case you're interested. I know the Rigid is really a tiny little guy and, you know, uses a small battery. You know, and it's really smaller. If you need something smaller, it'd probably be better with a Rigid. But if you don't care about the size, or you don't want to get into another Bauer line, you're into one in the Bauer line, that's perfect. You need anything else, you know. And it only takes like 2 minutes to heat, so that ain't bad in my opinion. So like, say like you're about to do the craft, like you're about to craft something or build something, you could, you know, turn it on, let it heat up, while you go get the stuff or whatever. That ain't bad. Just don't leave too far, you know. As long as you got your stuff in the same room, that's good. So yeah, overall it's not bad. For 20 bucks to me, it's not too bad. But you know, my recommendation is wait for a deal. You know, sometimes they have deals where I think you buy like 2 or 3 tools for a certain price, or buy a battery and get this tool for free, you know, or something, you know. So yeah, keep an eye out. They always have deals running around. It ain't bad. That's what I would do. And I would recommend using a small battery, you know. And there's another good thing. The LEDs does stay on while it's running. So in case in the middle of the night you turn off your lights at the shop or whatever, your room or whatever, and you see a light that's flashing, you're gonna know that this guy's running. That's a cool feature in my opinion, because, you know, some people are crafting in the middle of the night and then, you know, they're about to go to sleep or something. They turn off the lights and they see a light or something. They're like, oh, I left something running. You check and, you know, it's like, oh, it's a hot glue gun. And you just turn it off, you know. You wait for a couple minutes to cool off and then you can leave, which is my recommendation. Just do that. But yeah, overall, the same bad tool. $20 is not bad. Just, you know, in my opinion, if you want, wait for a deal, in my opinion. And this guy, I think it could really do a good job attaching things. So yeah, just keep an eye out. And all right, well, thanks for watching and have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next time.